the end of the day, I do have a business to run, but at the same time, if I can do that and make the world a slightly better place at the same time, it's it can never be a bad thing.
Is that the most rewarding part of your job, is seeing your clients succeed?
Oh man, when Nick emailed me telling me what had happened, man, I was devastated, but I was also extremely happy for him, obviously. No, it was incredible news. Like, and I see, yeah, man, a lot of the people, I've been very lucky in the fact that a lot of the clients that we work with are extremely nice people. And obviously, like, Nick is running a sustainable energy company, so obviously solar power, and he's saving people money. I was working with a nurse who's sort of creating this online brand where she's helping people with PCOS. I think it's sort of this condition for that women go through, and helping people in in these situations and helping them find solutions for things is incredibly valuable. And it's incredibly fulfilling as well, and incredibly rewarding. Like, at the end of the day, I do have a business to run, but at the same time, if I can do that and make the world a slightly better place at the same time, it can never be a bad thing.
Mm-hmm. It sounds like the company and meeting these new clients and seeing them succeed has kind of changed your goals a little bit over the past year and a half here.
Yeah, massively. As I said before, like I was completely transparent. Like before, because I was literally all about sort of in survival mode almost. It was all about reaching 5 figures and making sure that the revenue is meeting the expenses of the business. But now it's got to a point. It's really weird. The second I stopped worrying about the bottom line, it completely transformed everything. Now I probably dedicate about 4 hours a day to the Brander project, which hasn't turned over a penny of revenue yet, and I've never been happier. Like, I get up every day and I take care of projects in the morning, and then all afternoon I basically work on the Brander project, which is essentially teaching everything that I do on a daily basis for free. People still hire us, but if they want to have a crack at it themselves, and they can do, like, it's fine. And that's been one of the most fulfilling things. That's been the biggest turning point, without a shadow of a doubt.